Hello everyone, this is Rishi Ghosh from Freshers Camp, back again with regular updates of job notification. Be it IT jobs, diploma jobs, government jobs or any other job notification. We also provide you with regular announcements of off-campus job or walk-in jobs held in all over India. Today in this video, here I am with the latest announcement of the Tech Mahindra Off Campus Recruitment 2024. If you are new to our channel and haven't subscribed our channel yet, then do subscribe, like, share and comment down any queries. And also do not forget to hit the bell icon for more further updates. Tech Mahindra is an Indian multinational information technology and consulting services company headquartered in India. Tech Mahindra has announced an off-campus hiring in its official career website. Candidates who are interested can apply from the registration link which have been given in our description box, and all the candidates are requested to go through the detailed information before applying for the post. Candidates having any degree in BE or BTech, ME or EdTech from the batches of 2022 to 2023 can apply for this post. The job location will be across India and the candidates can expect up to 5.5 lakh per annum. The venue location will be virtual, online, and the candidates need to apply before 28th February 2024. Candidates should have consolidated mark sheet or provincial degree certificate, should have scored minimum of 70% or 70 GPA in its 10th and 12th class, and also should have scored more than 60% or 6 GPA in their graduate. Candidates should not have a gap of more than 1 year after completing SSC. There should also be not any gap or any loss of year after joining the course. In this super code challenge, first round will be the candidates will be given 30 total questions based on logical aptitude problems and English and grammar. Candidates shortlisted from the round 1 will go through a more advanced coding and other program. Candidates shortlisted from the round 2 will go to face-to-face and technical recruiters interview. Candidates will work on a team and on diverse projects. Candidates to possess in this role should have strong analytical, logical and problem-solving skills. So I hope this video was useful to you. So thank you for watching and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon for more further updates. This is Rishi Ghosh from Freshers Camp. We'll be back again with regular updates of job notification from all over India. Till then, see you.